Hey, I was just looking at some articles and I thought, you know what? You guys might want to know how easy it is to do a citation if you're working from the Hackney Library page. So I just thought I would go over that with you in case you haven't done that before. So let me just pause for a second and switch back to my screen. Okay, this was an article I was looking at because I was looking at things about how to heal the political divide in America. And so this is an article that might be of interest. And over here, now this is under the ProQuest database on the Hackney Library site. So just so you know how I got there, I do not think the library site is fabulous, and I don't think it is really user friendly. But when you can find an article, that's a good thing. And then right here, you just click Cite. Now, here is where sometimes students run into problems because it automatically defaults to the APA formatting style, and that's what some of you have to use for your education classes or maybe for your psychology classes and criminal justice classes. But remember, in the humanities, in English, we use MLA. So you will scroll down to the right style, and it would be MLA 8th edition. Okay, and so when you do that, it pretty much does a good job of, make sure you can see that. It puts everything in the right place, but you still need to check some things. So, like right here, this is right because it has the author's last name, comma, first name, period. You would always do that. This is the title of the article. You might see it has it has a quotation within a quotation right there. That is simply because the title of the article has a quote from some part of the article. So normally you won't have that situation, but you do have to have quotation marks around your title. So this part was the quote inside a quote, building a shared reality. So there's the end. It just has a single quotation mark because that is just the part that's quoted from something else. How social media stands to heal political divides. If only we'd let it. If only we'd let it. That's weird looking right there. So you would have to go back and look at things like capitalization of certain words, like that one right there is not capitalized. So before you or after you copy and paste it, make sure you check things like that it's correctly capitalized. Okay. Now, this one, the one that is italicized, is the name of the larger container, like the newspaper or the journal article or the magazine or whatever that article is in. So the larger container, just like the title of a book, is italicized. And then there's the date of the article, and then this is the database, ProQuest, and all of that information there. The URL is right there. Now, I know that all of you are looking at this and saying, oh, but there's something missing because you know, and I've marked it 32,000 times on your papers, MLA now says we have to put the date we accessed that source, and that should be the last thing that you put for that entry of a digital source. So here I would put, what is today's date? 16. This is not going to be beautiful because I'm writing it like this. April. Okay, you'll know. I'm just struggling here. April 2020. That's how MLA says we have to do those dates. And a period. Oh, I forgot. I needed to put the word accessed. How do I get rid of that? Hang on. Well, you know what I'm saying, y'all. You got to put the word accessed first. Okay? So just put accessed and then the date. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. And then you put the period. All right? Got it? Good luck, everybody. And I look forward to seeing your research papers in, 3 days? Yeah, that's right. Let me know if you need any help. If you'd like to have a Zoom conference, that would be fabulous. So reach out to me and let me know what you need. All right, guys, take care. Bye.